So all I did was to go to my store, buy my seedlings from my store, put them in my planter, turn my planter on, and let it run throughout the year. I don't know what that is in terms of pounds, but I'll weigh it and let you guys see it up close. But that is so beautiful. That is absolutely stunning. And so, hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. And these are our garlic chives. Aren't they beautiful? They're so healthy and so strong. I cut them down and they grow back. I cut them down and they grow back. I cut them down and grow back. So I always have grow. They constantly grow. These are starting to develop the bulbs at the top there, and that's amazing. Now I want to catch them before they start developing it, because I want to constantly eat them over and over again, just like the parsley, just like so many other things that we're growing here at Torpedopot. Having organically grown food this close to my doorstep is like nothing else in the world. I mean, it reduces my tension, because I know I have food there, and I can grow and eat what I want to grow and what I want to eat, and I can do it in abundance and as little as I please. Torpedopot gives me that ability to do all of it. So all I did was to go to my store, buy my seedlings from my store, put them in my planter, turn my planter on, and let it run throughout the year. This flavor is so genuine. I don't think you can find this in the supermarket. This is absolutely stunning. This is really, really good. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. I get to have that flavor.